Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, a couple of days ago when Bitcoin was climbing and breaking over 96,000, there was a little bit of uncertainty in the market as most of the altcoins were consolidating. People were confused in terms of why the altcoins are not following the trend that Bitcoin is making. Well, it's very simple. Bitcoin was pretty much waiting for the cycle to complete so it can go into a consolidation phase, and most of the altcoins will see inflow of cash and then start climbing, and that's exactly what's happened today. As you can see that Bitcoin is crossed over 97,000 and Doge has crossed over 43 cents. Keep in mind that right now the trading volume is still a little bit low, so there is a lot more potential for the market to climb even harder. Long-term Bitcoin holders are booking profits at the price close to 99,000, and that's the reason why breaking over 100k becomes a little bit harder. Experts say it's only a matter of time before Dogecoin hits $3. Could there be a Doge ETF in 2025? And Ripple's official YouTube channel just got taken off. Now, before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want the latest and the greatest news relating to crypto market, especially Dogecoin, I highly recommend you scroll down, tap the red subscribe button. While there, slap a like on the video, just up to YouTube algorithm, push the video to more people. More people are paying attention to what is happening in crypto, the user engagement goes up, more inflow of cash, market keeps climbing, and a lot of us make a lot of profit. So make sure you go down and slap a like on it. Now, yesterday there was a lot of positive response on the fact that I said I will be covering the whole market as much as possible, so I'll keep that going. Okay, once you watch this video, you won't have to keep yourself up to date with the latest news, because one video is going to give you all you need. Now, first thing first, I want to talk about Bitcoin. Now, if you guys have been paying attention to the trend it's forming, it's very clear that it's trying extremely hard to break over the 100k, but this time around it's actually going to be possible because the moment that it has formed is definitely going to be a lot more robust, and you can say that there is a lot of whales which are expecting this time around to cross the 100k mile. One thing that is important for you to understand is right now 98,000 is acting as a really strong resistance, and that's why you can see that it got rejected above 98,000 very quickly and actually fell short. If you talk about Dogecoin on the other end, you can see that this 2 hours it has actually caught up to the uptrend it formed. Now, this is what I was talking about. This uptrend is going to play a very crucial role. What I mean by that, as you can see that when we fell down, which was about 3 days ago, we fell down to 36 cents. From there was the upwards moment that actually started, and for the next 2 days it actually climbed all the way back to 43 cents. But the pullback, or you can say the rejection, actually pushed us below the uptrend, and then there was an uptrend, but it actually formed one of its own. But in the last 3 hours, it was able to catch on to the previous uptrend, and if it's able to just stay over the price of 43 cents for now, there is going to be an explosive result for the Dogecoin price, and I know very certainly that a lot of you guys want to see that. If you pay attention to the RSI line, you can see it did go into the overbought zone for a short period of time, and right now if it's just able to consolidate for a little bit, that's going to be the time where it will be able to cool off and be able to climb even harder. I know for a fact that there is so much left in Dogecoin's tank, because if you just look at this, experts are saying that Doge is going to be at $3 in matter of time. In the last 24 hours, Dogecoin registered only 3% gain, trading at close to 41 cents. The year peak is at 47 cents, but right now there are, amid this, the Crypto Scofield, a notable market commentator, boldly assists this, and it's only a matter of time before Dogecoin's bull potentially staging a spectacular rally that could drive it to $3. What do I think about this? Well, personally, I think $3 is a far-fetched guess. I mean, I would be very, very happy to hear that, but $3 would mean that the market cap would have to be close to 460 or 440 billion, and that's going to be putting it close to Ethereum. So it does seem really far-fetched, but you do need to understand that if something like this does happen, Ethereum will be also climbing in terms of market cap. So overall there is potential for growth, and you can see that XRP is booking more numbers, just crossed 100 billion. Could we see a Dogecoin ETF. Now, this is a really big statement, but what is really interesting is there are a lot of things which are confirming. I mean, first of all, Dogecoin price is up 6.5%. What's happening? Well, there is a little bit of optimism in the market, which is causing a lot of people to be able to be happy in terms of what is to come for Dogecoin. President-elect Donald Trump has championed himself as pro-crypto leader, hoping to make America the Bitcoin capital of the world. Dogecoin's world's 6th largest cryptocurrency with a market cap of 60 billion. There is definitely a lot of potential in terms of what they want to do with it. And seeing that he was able to approve a new, section of, you can say, the crypto market to the government is interesting, because the SEC, I mean, that's what Trump wants to do. SEC does not have say in terms of regulations towards crypto. It's going to be regulated by the CFTC, and if that does happen, that would be a big statement. On the other end, the open interest for Doge has crossed another 15% and now sitting at 3.1 billion. And the long to the short ratio, the long traders are not giving up, still over 75%. You do need to understand, as long as this is holding really strong, there is so much potential for the Dogecoin price to climb. Once it shows a little bit of sign that the bull traders are taking a little bit of profit and walking away, that's going to be the time where you should be a little bit cautious. Right now, it's just free flowing. We just need to wait for those people who don't believe in the token and are selling to walk away, and then all the bulls will take over and the market will climb even harder. Everybody anticipating a pullback after Bitcoin reclaimed 95,000. Just look at how often it's mentioned, but the market often moves against crowd sentiment. Now, just to give you perspective, there is a lot of people that are buying Bitcoin right now, and there are a lot of people that are buying Dogecoin. The best way to see that is simply just look at the trading volume that they are booking. I know compared to XRP, Doge has fallen a little behind, but compared to BNB, which is the next competition ahead, we're nearly triple that. On the other end, Russian President Putin signs a law recognizing Bitcoin and crypto as property, so there will be tax on it. And New York's crypto regulator nearing approval of Ripple issued stablecoin. So this is good, because more stablecoins getting an approval could mean a good thing. And 3 bullish altcoins that can take over Bitcoin. First is Solana, second is Dogecoin. And that's interesting, because this is an article that's talking about very important coins, and if Dogecoin is able to make it to this list, already says a lot of good things. And I know for a fact a lot of you guys are happy to see that as well. And finally, Dogecoin proposal will have to pass this crucial step for approval, and that will be very hard. I mean, this is already says a lot. As long as Doge is able to just hold still, there is good things to happen. Other than that, thank you for watching the video. I hope you guys did enjoy. Subscribe, drop a like on it, and I'll see you soon.